Grace was going out for a walk when out of nowhere, this happens.
I'm currently having a little bit of a mental, moment. I was driving home from work. It's ah! Holy shit! Oh my god! 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 Holy shit! Oh my god! 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 Holy shit! Oh my god! There was. Oh my god. That was not normal. Oh my god. Holy. I just saw something. And I'm really f***ing terrified.
The scariest part of this video isn't Grace's reaction to the hooded man, who according to Grace, didn't look like a person, but rather the whisper she heard when she got to her car. I'll just play the clip in case you've missed it.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Now, if that's not creepy, I don't know what is. Bucky99 was out with some friends while visiting a mausoleum in Connecticut when they encountered something pretty spooky. Bucky wrote, "When we approached the fence and began speaking, there was a scuffle from inside. Then this was followed by footsteps that sounded like they were running towards us."
Alright. So we're at the Keeney Mausoleum.
Is anybody here?
Hello? Would anyone like to say something?
Okay.
Holy shit! Dude, that was insane! Oh my god, that's not real, dude. Dude, I got.
Some of the viewers think that the scuffling was made by their friend, but Bucky assured them that his friends didn't make those sounds. If it wasn't them, then who? Donnie Drunkard has been experiencing strange activities at home and he's been documenting all the strange things that's been happening. However, his most recent video captured something that is beyond belief. This may just be the most compelling piece of evidence I've seen in a while. Check it out.
Who's here? What's your name? That's it right there. Yeah, I got him. Right? Yeah, I got him. Right? Yeah, I got him. Right? Oh! I saw it. No. Wait. Right up above me. Right up above me. Oh my god.
The cool thing about this video was that Donnie was live streaming when this happened. This means that Donnie could not have manipulated the footage. What he caught is what he saw. No gimmicks whatsoever. And best of all, those who've seen this live stream can attest to the authenticity of the video. All in all, it's pretty spooky. I would like to hear your thoughts on this in the comments. Reddit user Katie received a voice message from her friend Casey, who was stuck at traffic due to a fatal car accident that just occurred. But when Katie played the message, this is what she heard.
It was some type of almost like a trailer, like something like a trailer would have been carrying or something, like a, I don't know, like a like, I didn't see any ambulances or anything, so I think they're probably fine. I don't even know if there were like any other people in it. And then, whatever.
It sounds like someone else was breathing on the other end. The breathing starts when the cell reception was lost. It's almost as though a ghost manipulated the cell service, a means to communicate with Casey's friend. Whether or not that's the case is up to you to decide, but when you consider the fatal accident that just occurred, you can't help but wonder if the message came from the other side. If there's a place I'd stay away from at all costs, then it would be an Indian burial ground. And this next video explains the reason. Detective Moko was exploring a cabin that was located on Native American ground. The cabin was abandoned soon after a family died there. An incident where a father killed his own family and took his own life in the basement, which is where Detective Moko was conducting an EVP session. But little does he know that something would occur during this session. Take a look.
All the way over here on this side. Oh shit, I heard something. What the fuck? Give me a second. Oh my god, the door just moved. Can't see anything. What the fuck was that? I almost started a panic attack.
Now that's scary. Write your thoughts in the comment. YouTuber TechWreck went to a boiling hot spring in Nevada known as the Devil's Cauldron. He dropped an iPhone inside it while he was recording. When he retrieved the phone, he was shocked to see what it captured. Listen to this. If those aren't screams, I don't know what are. It could be that these so-called screams are actually the vibrations of the fishing lines that was attached to the phone, but others disagree and they think that this might be an actual scream. If that's the case, then this got to be one of the eeriest footage out there of mysterious screams caught on camera. Reddit user RedditBan was inside an ambulance when he caught the following on camera. Listen closely or you'll miss it. Now, some viewers think that might have been the paramedic who said this, but RedditBan wrote, "No, There was no one in the back with me. No, it wasn't the ambulance driver. It's literally right next to my phone. Why would the ambulance driver whisper that? With that being said, what are your thoughts on this? Reddit user Princess Lena received a video from her friend who didn't realize that she captured something disturbing in the background. Princess Lena wrote, "Something with a red face came up right behind my friend when she was drinking and there was no one else in the room with them. It randomly showed up behind the girl on the left. Here's the video that she received." The more you look at it, the more it looks like a burnt victim. Viewers have asked if the home that the video had been taken is haunted. Princess Lena stated that it is haunted as there has been instances where the typewriter was going off in the middle of the night. She believed that it's her friend's grandmother who's haunting the place as she passed away in that same home. But Princess Lena is certain that whatever it isn't her grandmother. She can't help but think that this thing is inhumane, and I think so too. But you, what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment. Madison Nicole was FaceTiming her boyfriend while inside his car parked outside a restaurant. When he went to pick up his order, she was left alone on this call, but little did she know that she wasn't actually alone. As Madison was waiting for her boyfriend to come back, she saw something that scared the living daylights out of her. In the backseat of his car, she saw what appeared to be a face, but if you look closely, there's something off about this face. It looked like something unholy. Madison couldn't sleep after seeing this, and I'm assuming that her boyfriend had troubles sleeping too, and I wouldn't be surprised as this is the stuff of nightmares. Griffith Park in Los Angeles is well known for being a hotspot for suspicious activities. It is rumored that satanic rituals take place there, among all other cult-related practices. From personal experience, I can assure you that the Griffith Park has lots of cultist activities. But don't take my word for it, and just watch this video as taken by someone hiking there. This doesn't rule out the possibility that someone who was acting hysterical, but given the history of this place, the thought of this being a cultist practice comes to mind. Facebook user Riau Mystery Hunter was live streaming a paranormal investigation at a place in Indonesia that is known to be haunted. During this live stream, viewers were left unsettled in the events that unfolded. Take a look at this clip.
Hop, nggak ada. Hop, nggak ada. Hah? Hop, nggak ada. Nggak ada di belakang ya. Muntah kau nanti, Li. Muntah nanti. Astagfirullahaladzim. Hep. Ada dengar suara, weh? Astagfirullahaladzim, tunggu kita menjauh sikit.
Viewers believe that this might be the ghost of Akuntalanik, which according to the Indonesian folklore is a female ghost that passed away during pregnancy and attacks men and even kills them as a revenge for failing to conceive a child. Whether this was Akuntalanik or not, the footage alone is enough to keep you away from visiting these places. Being a guy, I for sure would stay away from this place because that would be the last thing I want.